Shrewsbury, New Jersey is situated in the eastern part of Monmouth County, conveniently located only 5 miles to the beach and an easy commute to New York City. The wraparound front porch welcomes you to 50 Elm Lane. This magnificent 4-bedroom, 3-bath custom home is located on a 1-acre lot with pristine landscaping and a majestic 100-year-old weeping beech tree. There's a large rear deck, a 2-car garage, and 3,800 square feet of living space. Let's have a look inside. Upon entering the home, you'll come to the foyer, which has a French door leading to the front porch. To the right is a coat closet and a hallway leading to the kitchen, the first floor bedrooms, bathroom, and the staircase to the second floor. To the left, we'll enter into the living room. With a high tray ceiling, skylights, and plenty of windows, the sun really shines through. You have views of the front porch and the backyard. There's a gas fireplace and a French door leading to the back deck. There are hardwood floors throughout the living space on the first floor. Here is the dining room. The dining room has glass sliders to the back porch, a French door to the front hallway, and conveniently located off the kitchen. Upon entering the family room and kitchen, you'll notice the sun shining through. There are French doors leading to the back deck, oversized double-hung windows with transom windows above. There are high vaulted ceilings and an open flow to the kitchen. A large center island with breakfast counter anchors the kitchen. There is custom cabinetry and stainless steel appliances, including a Wolf double oven gas stove with 6 burners and grill. Located off the kitchen is the front hallway, which leads to the front door, the second floor, and the first floor bedrooms and bath. Here is one of the bedrooms with a double closet. Here is the first floor full bath with a large vanity and granite countertop. There's a tub and shower with glass doors and ceramic tile walls. Here is the second spacious bedroom on the first floor, which also has a nice sized closet. Let's head up to the second floor. On the second floor, there's a den, a bedroom, a bathroom, the master suite, the laundry room, and a hidden office. At the top of the stairs is the den, which is currently being used as the 5th bedroom. There are hardwood floors and crown molding throughout the whole floor. Here is a large bedroom with oversized closet. The second floor bathroom has a wide vanity with granite countertop and sink. There is a skylight, built-in shelving, and a shower stall with glass door and ceramic tile walls. The master bedroom is a great place to relax in front of the gas fireplace. There are high vaulted ceilings with skylights, built-in shelving, and window seat. There is access to the master walk-in closet, the master bathroom, the laundry room, and the bonus office. The master bathroom has a large jetted soaker tub, a steam shower with 6 shower heads, and a towel warmer. Let's head out to the backyard. Here we are in the kitchen and family room, which is conveniently located off the back covered deck. The backyard is a perfect place to entertain. The open part of the deck wraps around to the front of the house. There is also a step-down patio. You'll just love the views of the 100-year-old weeping beech tree and beautiful rhododendrons. Part of the deck is covered. There are skylights, fans, heaters, and speakers. There's a charming playhouse that has electric. To the left of the house, you will notice the staircase that leads to the office. There's also access through the master bedroom. There's a storage shed underneath the stairs. This home is truly a must-see. Thank you for touring 50 Elm Lane in Shrewsbury, New Jersey. In-person tours are available by appointment.